In this video, I will show with you step by step how to deposit money in Trading212 platform. So friends, if you want to deposit money, follow me in this video guide. First step, log in your accounts with your own information. You can connect from login. So friends, as you can see here, log in. When you log in, you would see your dashboard from your accounts. This is your accounts. Just click deposit fund. As you can see here, this is option. Choose deposit fund. When you choose deposit your fund, you have this app, as you can see here. You can use a transfer method with deposit, bank transfer, or credit card, as you can see here. And then after that, choose your amount you want to deposit. Choose, for example, £150, choose your credit card, and then choose deposit. So it is easy steps, friends. Actually, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content. Tap to menu 3 line and then choose deposit, and then choose payment method. After that, choose amount. Thanks for watching this video.